Hi, I'm Colleen.
And I'm Kate. Welcome to our CrafterNoon adventures. Welcome to today's craft. You will need a mink machine, some foil, the plastic sleeve that comes with the machine, and some printed text. All you're going to need to do is plug in your machine, flip the switch on the back to turn it on. Now you're going to take your foil. We have gold reactive foil and a pink reactive foil. So we're just going to use the gold for right now. You're going to take your foil out. It's very thin. And you're going to need to cover your text. So this would probably need this little section here. Cut that off. You're going to place the foil shiny side up on top of your print. And note that you must use a laser printer, not an inkjet, since the toner is what reacts to the foil once it is all heated up. So you're going to cover that and slide both pieces in between the plastic sleeve. And while we're doing that, we're going to press the middle button to actually turn on the machine. And then you're going to press again to turn the heat, once this turns green, from red to green, up to 3, which is about your typical heat temperature for regular copy paper like this. You're going to open your sleeve and start putting this in between while that's heating up. And here's the second one. Once it's up to temperature, there will probably be a beep. And then you can place your sleeve into the slot, which will grab it and slowly pull it through. The foil will try to stick to the plastic sleeve, so you'll just have to be careful and make sure that it is covering your text as much as possible. Okay, so now it is green, which means it's up to temperature and we can put it through. So there's a slot here. We're going to just feed it through. When the sleeve is completely out, open up the sleeve and slowly peel off the foil from the text. You'll notice that it'll adhere to the paper and the foil will come off with it. If it is a little spotty like this, it might be because the temperature isn't high enough. And we have some other examples here. But that's it. You should now have a foiled piece to decorate a journal, sign, window, scrapbook, whatever you choose. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Most projects we demonstrate can be made in under an hour and require a few basic tools or supplies.
Have questions or suggestions for future videos? Use the comment section below and we'll add it to our list. Thanks for watching, and remember the Makerspace mantra. The only limit is your imagination.